learners, today we are going to start with chapter 8, Neighbors and Neighborhood. What is neighborhood? It is the place near your houses, and the people, those who are living in your neighborhood, are your neighbors. वो कौन होते हैं आपके neighbors होते हैं, right? So we have different places in the neighborhood. What I will tell you in this chapter, the different places in the neighborhood, like we have banks, schools, hospitals, market, right, post office. These are the different places that you see in your neighborhood. Then I will tell you about our helpers. We have different people. देखो हर एक activity को आप अपने आप नहीं कर सकते. What we need the help of the people. And the people, those who help us, जो हमको help कर रहे हैं activities में, वो कौन होते हैं? Are helper. You should respect them, right? So take the places which are there in your neighborhood. Right, you have to mark yourself that there are different places are given to you, and what all places you find near your neighborhood, you have to mark them. Right? So let's move to our topic now. The people living near each other in the same area. देखो जो भी लोग हम आज सेम एरिया में रह रहे हैं, हमारे आसपास रह रहे हैं, वो कौन है? हमारे नेबर्स हैं. And neighbor help each other in the time of needs. The houses and the places near our house forms our neighborhood. जो भी houses है, places हैं आपके घर के आसपास में, वो क्या form करते हैं? Neighborhood form करते हैं, right? So learning by doing, write the names of the two families in your neighborhood. You have to write here, and then you have, do they have children as old as you, or do you get together with our neighbors on birthday and festival, right? So you have to write the names of the family, then they have children like you or not, and whether you go with them on the family birthday and festivals. Now we should work together to keep our neighborhood neat and clean. आपको एक साथ मिलके क्या करना चाहिए? अपने neighborhood को clean रखना चाहिए, green रखना चाहिए और safe रखना चाहिए. We should help our neighbors in the times of need. जब आपके neighbors को need पड़ती है, मतलब आप उनकी help करनी चाहिए. So places in the neighborhood. What all different places you see? We see school, right? Post office, police station, fire station, bank and hospitals, right? These are the different places, right? In the school you go to study. Post office where you go and send your parcels, or buy stamps. Police station when you are in trouble, you all go to police station. Fire station when there is fire, and then bank, you go there to deposit your money, and hospital when we go to hospital when we are sick, जब हम बीमार होते हैं. Now our helpers, people who helps us in different ways. If we talk about doctor, the doctor treats when we are sick. देखो आप डॉक्टर के पास कब जाते हो? जब आप बीमार होते हो, and he treats you, he gives you medicines and help you. Now next we have the cobbler, mends our shoes. कॉबलर का काम होता है, ये हमारे शूज मेंड करता है, राइट? देन वी हैव कारपेंटर, व्हाट ही मेक्स फर्नीचर, डोर्स एंड विंडोज. कारपेंटर का क्या काम होता है? वो लकड़ी का काम करता है, डोर्स बनाता है, विंडोज बनाता है. देन वी हैव बार्बर हु कट्स द हेयर. बार्बर क्या करता है? आपके बाल काटता है. देन वी हैव पोस्टमैन, व्हाट ही डू? ही ब्रिंग्स लेटर. जो भी लेटर होता है वो आपके डोर स्टेप पे लेके आता है. देन वी हैव टीचर्स, एंड व्हाट टीचर्स डू? टीचर्स अस न्यू थिंग्स, good manners and good habits. And then we have gardeners that takes care of the plants in the garden and park. इसका क्या काम होता है? Plants की देखभाल करना. Then we have watchmen who guards our home and your locality or your neighborhood, right? Then we have policemen who protect us from thieves or robbers. Then we have shopkeepers. He sell things in the market from where we buy things of our daily needs. देखो आप मार्केट जाते हो, जो आपकी डेली यूज की चीजें है वो आप बाय करते हो किससे? शॉपकीपर से. Then we have tailor. His work is to stitch your clothes. Any work that has to earn money. देखो जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो और उससे पैसा कमा रहे हो, what it is? It's an occupation, right? So here the activity time, write the occupation of your father, mother, uncle and aunt. Right? You have to write yourself. So this was all about in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.